times, but only 5 times ever in this stadium. Winning FA Cup final team, the 3 who didn't start that game, the youngster Paul, they felt a very strong side with only Jordan Henderson and Trent Alexander-Arnold.
Again in the United States recently, full support. Liverpool kick off. Suddenly allowed in the FA Cup final, Ainsley mate Niles to get forward.
We've seen Nico Williams try and get forward on that right hand side.
Emphatically 18 points. Backed up by Robertson.
Firmino. Clever move by LiverpooI. Now them is
London push ball past him. An opportunity for Liverpool.
Robertson to Curtin and Liverpool.
The Arsenal line, it's a good line, they don't drop.
Said no to that. So it'll be just as last season. Van Dijk's got a bit of work to do, which he does.
No, previous to him were just a little bit too soft. The centre-half coming will want the guarantee of playing games.
Out of the new campaign, David Luiz. Williams to get the cross in, and Milner with the header. That was a...
Just doesn't get over it. Really decent ball in. Gets a good run, sees it all.
To Aubameyang. Looking to Ben and score.
Don't want him coming on his inside, on his right foot, and allowing him. No, Arsenal need to get this guy tied down.
Absolutely magnificent. You back him every time in that sort of situation. Doing again at Wembley. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang.
Stunning finish from a top-class player. He sets it out brilliantly, doesn't he? No chance for Alisson. That is a no Tierney. Makes the overlap. You can see Tierney there bursting to get forward.
This summer from Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang by Saka in build-up. And we saw the cross-arm Black Panther celebration as well. It's been announced in the last day or so. Forward, he's got Saka to his outside. Arsenal looking dangerous again here.
It's a decent connection and a smart save. Saka there. Head up. Slide rule pass and Nketiah.
Real talent. Sled Bukayo Saka taking the corner kick now. And can play all over it forward. Tierney. Saka will attack it, but it's a little bit too near. Milner. Salah. Milner. Good start from Liverpool. And then Milner. Good movement here. Milner trying to burst on the team. By Wijnaldum. And Nketiah's on the chest, and I think he's
from going sloppy from Liverpool again, middle of the park.
Well, might be a queue halfway around Europe for Aubameyang. He did become available. Soon find out. His Saka. Nketiah! Another chance.
Shooting there, he'll be disappointed. Just falls away and lifts it. I think a really important pass. Nice pass, and Nketiah just loses it.
Fabinho. And of course some mischief. Milner, lovely ball in. Salah was waiting for it, didn't quite do. Lovely touch from him. Shaqane. Little flick, well found by Firmino. Robertson curls it across, nobody in the... Robertson won the header. And then Salah shot.
Mane half turn, little give and go there. Yeah, not enough for him to...
Instinct start to kick in. Mane curling it, Luiz is there. Robertson, another lovely ball in, and Salah.
Andrew Robertson. Good Salah, Mo Salah.
United. Bit too long for Mane. Joe Gomez trying his luck. He's never scored in penalties. He's very promising. Only 19 years of age. Central defender. With his new haircut. Robertson with
another sloppy pass. I think that's 2 or 3 times he's done that this afternoon.
Good. Again Robertson. Again. Easy that for the Arsenal defence to deal with. Mane. That away. Robertson with another cross. How many have there been in Van Dijk? I've only had 2 proper training sessions. Firmino tries to find a way through that time again.
All the same, Van Dijk on his heels. Mess about Liverpool. Brilliant ball in. Little flick, I think.
Maitland-Niles. Not a bad cross. Set up to clever from Bellerin. Twinkle toe run for. Gave it to Aubameyang. That might be a better idea. Tierney gets it back again.
He elects to pop it out to the left-hand side. Aubameyang, not the option to shoot.
Away by Saka. Good early ball. Didn't quite work for Nketiah, but it was the right.
No right to win that duel. What a ball that is.
More than one. Saka. Defended by Roberts. It was the positive COVID test on Mikel Arteta which led to the suspension with the holidays, which we hope does not present a threat. Going to turn from him. Arsenal trying to keep it alive. They have as well. What is it, Chris?
Reasonably impressive. I can see what.
Another Robertson run. Salah is the target. Liverpool will fancy themselves to score. They would in any given.
Good. Little shift.
A lot of players joining the attack. Maitland-Niles is one of them. Firmino opening up a bit. Ben's one. You wondered where that.
Let's see how close it was. Half right foot is a long way out still. There's a little look out right. Martinez.
Again. It's with Nico Williams. And too long.
Faces Williams up, who shows him the line, but
Maitland-Niles did not get that in play. Corner. Milner to take it. Van Dijk was a support. Saka's trying to provide it. But Robson is very holding. Has let Mane go wrong side of him here? It could be the equaliser, but a splendid save. Close there, whether that was offside or not.
Well, David Luiz has a look across at the assistant and says, doesn't commit too early. Stands big. Good right hand.
Scoring his debut. Final briefing. Firmino. And they're looking to hold it up. Keita on a long range. Score. I remember seeing Minamino play. He was at Red Bull Salzburg, and he was Keita. Gomez now in the right back position. In that interested.
Gets to the ball first, but I think he'd know. Look, the truth is, Liverpool have lacked that intensity.
Firmino. Maitland-Niles did some. Another Robertson cross. Again holding. Keita kept his feet well. And then Minamino.
And then a pass just, he had to readjust his feet.
Aubameyang has done well there. Saka.
Held him up. Little shift. Tries to fire the shot towards the.
You do get the feeling something's happening.
The wrong side. It's a clear free kick. No, Arteta's getting his orders.
Robertson was aimed towards.
Sticks to his task. Well, Tierney.
Them all. Mane and Firmino. Back in towards Mane. Salah looking to get onto that good left foot of his. Minamino bouncing around. Is watching this. What do you think, Peter?
Yeah, the picture we're seeing here is.
Does that one go in or does it hit Salah's hand and deflect into Minamino's pass?
Minamino it was who finished it off.
Involved from a Liverpool player. Not so sure I saw. It's a cool finish. A finish should be Minamino onto Salah. Salah's actually picking for a handball for Liverpool as it dropped.
Verb about Liverpool's work. Robertson towards the back post and Martinez grabs that. Good work from him. Dropping Firmino. Tried Minamino again. He's looking for 1-2. Tried to burst into that one. Holding gets it away. It's a loner move. So I think he's a confirmed admirer. But Robertson. Bounce could have been a little bit kind to stand this one up. Mane dropped for him. Sadio Mane again. Martin.
Earlier on in the half, stands big. It's actually a poor touch from Mane, which allows.
Robbed again this time by Maitland-Niles. Just dwelt on in possession there. Arsena's come on. Cedric with the cross in and Willock with the.
From Cedric on the right hand side. Sees it all the way to win the Community Shield. Has a little look. It's a terrific ball.
Aubameyang. Now Maitland-Niles. And Aubameyang. Again. Arsenal got back on the front foot since they conceded that equaliser. Aubameyang looking for a nil.
He doesn't see the run of Aubameyang.
The ball again as a gifted youngster. Here's Salah. Mane with the looking ball towards the back post where Robertson.
He's onside. Robertson. It's the slightest of touches. Good ball for Mane. Cedric wanting a foul for not enough preparation for this game. Plenty of guts and courage.
That's it. The side. Will be a hero again. Here's Salah.
Couple of steps to the side. Runs up. And there's a good penalty. Wasn't it? Confident penalty.
Against Alisson. And levels it.
Gives Alisson the eyes. Whips it into the corner with.
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant couple of paces. Again.
How about that?
Looks at the keeper, looks at Alisson all the way. How good is that? How
Oh, and he's
balloons. Slow run up. That situation. Brought on to take penalty. And
Arsenal to put them ahead in the shootout. 3-2 they lead.
been sent the wrong way 3 times at the moment.
Right.
Put your foot through it. That's what he does. Goes.
You do.
You don't save them. Power.
He does.
As well. And again, has a look. Martinez sends him the wrong.
It's another. They lift the Community Shield. The FA Cup winners have bitten